Welcome to the Cyber Free. Stay secure.
and keep hacking.
Back, and we are continuing with our general skills. And today we'll be covering codebook worth of 100 points. It has been appeared in beginner Pico meaning. You can download the both of the code here, and I have put it in the directory codebook, so you can see. So we have codebook and codebook.txt. And check code.py. So basically it is decrypting the flag using some format. So let's see. So basically this is some encrypted flag and the code will decrypt it. Let's just run it before we check any issues, and without even doing anything we easily got the flag. If you found this video useful, give it a like. And don't forget, subscribing to this channel would be freaking awesome. Thanks again. See you in the next video.